Hi everyone, in this video we're going to start building the front end of your Stripe payment application by creating your front page index.html file. So you've gained some experience with Flask from the other tutorials and you know what is the next step here. So I will need to create a new directory and I'll call it templates. So here in this directory I will create a new HTML file called index.html. And here it is. So I'll open Sublime Text and I'll go to File, Open, and then I'll open the Python shop file with it. Okay, so let's open the complete project. And from here you can edit the index.html file. So I'll open this on full screen and I'll change the title to Stripe and Flask demo. Okay, and then inside the body, let's firstly add a header for our application. So I will do h1 Stripe and Flask demo. Okay, then let's create a table because we want to paste our products in a table. So I will do table and then let's add few lines to the table. So I will do tr product, then tr price, and then let's add another column. So tr order. Okay, and we're going to put this actually in another column. So I will do tr and I will just surround what I've already did into this one. Okay, so let's actually move this three fields a little bit further. Okay, this is how it should look like. Okay, so now let's add some more information to our table. Let's start adding the JavaScript. So I will do % for ID in products. Okay, so for every ID in our products that we're going to pass to the HTML, we want to display each of those in a different line, right? So let's do again td, and firstly we will display the product ID. So let's do product ID dot name, then let's do another td, and after the name for every product we want to add price. So I will do firstly I will define in how many characters I want to see the price. So I will do a $sign here and then %.2f, which means that I want two signs after the decimal point. Then let's do a pipe to format it. So let's do format, and I want to display the products by products id dot price, and I want to divide the price by 100 because if you remember, in our main file we actually define the price in cents. So if I want to see it in US dollars, I will have to divide it by 100. Okay, and let's write USD after that. Then I want to display just under the price for what that price is, for how many products. So let's do a bracket, %, and then if products ID dot per %, and then per products ID dot per, and the per is this parameter here. Okay, so in that case we will per hour, and so this means that if our product has the per value, okay, which means per hour, per month, or whatever, so if we have this value we want to display it. If not, we're not going to display it. This is the idea. So let's now end the if loop. So let's do % and if %, and that's it. So let's create another td, and this will be our button. So for every row I want to have the order button which I can press. So let's do form, and here I want for method to be equal to post, then action will be equal to /order/ and we use the product ID into our order. Here it is. And then inside this form I will create a button. So let's do input, so the type will be submit button, and then instead of a name I want value, so the value will be order now. So this is what will be displayed in the order button, and then we will end our form. And don't forget that we started a for loop here. So what we want to do is for each element in our product to display it into the table. So now we need to end this for loop. So just under the tr I will simply do %. Okay, so here I will do end for. So now save that. Okay, and I will fix this typo here, so it should be product instead of product. Let's save that. And also in the main.py file, make sure that you add a / before order right here. I also noticed that I missed that. And so now you can run your application. So let's click the link, and you can see that you can see a very simple table with all the items that you had. So this means your application works. Now there are two things that are not quite right. Firstly, the style is pretty basic, so we need to improve that. But there are two things that are still not right. So we still don't have the success and the cancel page, and also, to be honest, this page looks quite ugly, so we need to improve that.